Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PRED. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute? If you're new to charts, I do offer an explanation video at that link, so if you want more details, just go there and I'll explain in detail. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I am anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume. And very nice volume. Even had nice volume on Thursday, but to get another nice day, 2 days in a row, always a good thing. Nothing worse than seeing one great day of volume and then the next day everything just totally goes, there's crickets. But wasn't the case here. Volume remained strong and then the price reacted very nicely with it. So a lot of eyeballs on this one going into next week. So let's map out some areas of support and then we can talk levels of resistance. First level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When we say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up above $1.55. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $1.55, I am not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all of this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there is how I'm defining the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above $1.55 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance moving forward? Nothing fancy or complicated here other than the fact that they're in the final 30 minutes of the day. And now that I think about it, given it's Friday, the final 30 minutes of the week, price got rejected up there at $1.75. So $1.75 initial level of resistance going into next week, which actually makes pretty good sense now that I squeezed down the chart here. You can see several times before the price has been right up around this area and hasn't been able to push through it. So I'm not saying that the price can't break that level, just saying that apparently, according to the story here that's being told to us, the price is really going to have to bring its A game to fight through that level. After that $1.75 area, next key overarching level of resistance up there at $1.85. So $1.75, $1.85, next two key levels. All in all, though, anyway, look at it. Very, very nice way to close out the week. So let's just see if the bulls can build upon this momentum next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.